DJI Mini 2 and paramotors. This is going to be a great video. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and it's about -2 here in Sweden today. It's so cold that I've even got my 3-year-old Spider-Man hat on because I couldn't find mine. But anyway, I'm out here regardless, despite how cold it is, with a group of paramotor pilots over here in Sweden, and I've got the Mini 2 with me as well. What we're going to be doing is capturing some beautiful 4K footage with these guys. So sit back, enjoy, comment below during the video, and be sure to subscribe. So this is Josef, one of the paramotor pilots in Sweden, and he's brave enough to be flying up there today. What do you love most about paramotoring, to do it in this weather?
It's the freedom feeling.
Yeah.
You know, you feel like up there, it's quiet, no sound. It's a little bit of adventure.
Definitely.
Yeah. Even if it's cold.
Like it is today.
Like it is today. You don't feel it over there.
True, because of the excitement.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, fly safely. Have a good flight today.
You too, Josh.
He's either brave or crazy. I'm not sure yet.